Welcome back to Mathsquare. Do you know? There are some rules on percentage. By using those rules, you can solve problems on percentage very easily. Let's discuss few of them in this tutorial. At first, to enhance your speed in solving percentage-related questions, you must at least remember these fractions and their equivalent percentages. You can't imagine how much things become easier after memorizing these 10 fractional forms of percentages. Say, we are given to find 16% of 625. Now, if we know the fractional value of 16%, then we can put 4 by 25 in place of 16%, which helps us find the required value much quicker. Now, let's discuss some important rules. If two values are respectively x% and y% more than a third value, then the first is 100 plus x upon 100 plus y into 100% of the second. Let's be more clear by solving a problem. Two numbers are respectively 30% and 40% more than the third. What percentage is the first to the second? Now, we will apply the above rule. Here, x equals to 30 and y equals to 40. So, the first will be 100 plus 30 upon 100 plus 40 into 100% of the second. On further simplification, we get first is 92.86% of the second. So, in this way, we can use the above rule to solve such questions. Now let's move to the second rule. If A is x% of C, and B is y% of C, then A is x by y into 100% of B. Let's understand this rule by solving a simple exercise. Two numbers are, respectively 20% and 25% of a third number. What percentage is the first of the second? Here, x equals to 20, and y equals to 25. So as per the above rule, we can say, the first is 20 by 25 into 100% of the second. On further simplification, we get the first is 80% of the second. So in this way, we can solve such problem by using this rule. Now, let's proceed to the next rule. If first value is x% more than the second value, then the second is x by 100 plus x into 100%, less than the first value. Alternatively, if first value is x% less than the second value, then the second is x by 100 minus x into 100%, more than the first value. Let's discuss more precisely by solving examples. Some mangoes are distributed between A and B. If A receives 25% more than B, then the amount of mangoes received by B is how much percent less than A. So in this case, we can apply the case 1 of this rule. Here, x equals to 25. So, by the rule, we can write 25 upon 100 plus 25 into 100%, which results 20%. So, B receives mangoes 20% lesser than A. Now solve this question yourself by using case 2 of this rule. Hope you understand all the rules that we have discussed in this video. If you can memorize these rules and apply while solving percentage-related questions, you can save a lot of your time. We will be discussing more of such rules in our next video. Stay tuned.